Okay, here's the second one that I found that I like. This is one we found on paper, and it was up in Kellogg. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit of a lift, but I don't, maybe a 2.5 inch. And it looks like a leveling puck underneath the front end. We got Open Country Toyos again. How are we getting this lucky? Actually, great tread left. Bighorn Edition Ram 2500 running boards. And it's kind of funny, this is without any kind of detail done at all. So you're seeing it raw the way it got traded in. Okay, they did not change the geometry of the steering at all. So yes, there's a little bit of a lift, but it is nothing. They kept it under where they'd have to start changing things. Dent in the tailgate. Looks like they dropped the tailgate on a ball or a hitch. Okay, let's see the inside. Okay, full floor mat. Pretty basic cloth. Okay, yeah, a little bit of dirt. But like I said, remember, this has not been through detail. Got the trailer brake wires. And there is why I like this truck. 78,000 miles on a diesel. That is considered just barely broke in on a 5.9. Yeah, for just coming in, not an ounce of detail work. Somebody took care of this truck. We've got two good rigs up right now, guys. Talk to you soon.